Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create presentations with HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and start a new video project. Before you begin, prepare the information you want to present. Organize your content into a clear introduction, main points, and conclusion so your presentation is easy to follow. Next, choose an AI avatar to act as your presenter. Select an avatar that matches the topic and professional style of your presentation. Add your presentation script to the editor and choose an AI voice. Select the appropriate language and voice that fit your audience. Now customize the presentation by choosing a background, adding headings, text, images, and other visual elements. Keep the design clean and make sure important information is easy to read. If your presentation contains multiple topics, divide them into separate scenes. This can make the content easier to understand and more engaging. After completing your design, preview the entire presentation. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, text, and visual layout. If anything needs improvement, return to the editor and make the necessary changes. Then preview the presentation again. Once everything looks good, generate the video and wait for HeyGen to finish processing your project. When the presentation is ready, watch the final video from beginning to end and make sure the information flows naturally. Finally, export the completed presentation using the available options. And that's how you can create professional AI-powered presentations with HeyGen using an avatar, voice, script, and customizable visuals. Hello everyone.